Hello, everybody. Very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to our Modern Biology. I'm your educator Sasmita and I will try to cover your cell biology part. In this video, I will try to cover the basic concept of cell biology. Okay guys, before moving into the video, please guys do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further notification. So let's proceed the video. Very first, we have to know about what is cytology and what is cell biology. Cytology is a new term. Cytology comes from the word kaios and logos. Kaios means cell, logos means study. Altogether, we can say that cytology is the study of cell structure. Then cell biology. Cell biology is the study of cell structure and function. So that was the difference between cytology and cell biology. Hope now you all are clear. Then now we will study the history of cell. It is not actually so much important in exam point of view, but I am trying to cover few points about basic history of cell. The fossil record shows that the earliest cell evolved about 3.5 billion years ago. And the first organism who evolved in that time called as chemoheterotrophs. What is the meaning of chemoheterotrophs? Chemoheterotrophs are the organism that obtained energy by the oxidation electron donor in their environment. It used inorganic energy sources to synthesize organic compound from CO2. Then, component of the shell. Many cell has carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen is a major component of the cell. Cell has so many components, but these are the main component. It contains total 95% of a cell. Then we will know what is the cell. You can say that cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. That means it is a very small entity of our body. Cell can be prokaryotic and as well as eukaryotic. Then we will know the discovery of cell. First, in the year of 1665, Robert Hooke discovered the cell in the piece of cork, like in the form of dead cell. Actually, we can say that Hooke only observed the cell wall because say cork cell are dead and without any cytoplasmic content. Then Anton von Leeuwenhoek was the first person who observed living cell under the microscope and named as animalculus, mean little animal. Now we will see the organization of cell. As I said it earlier, cell is the smallest unit and a many cell combines together to form a tissue and many tissue combines together to form an organ. So we can say that cell is a structural and functional unit of life. Then we will look the difference and the similarity between prokaryotic and as well as eukaryotic cell. First we will see the similarity between prokaryotic cell and as well as eukaryotic cell. In case of eukaryotic cell, plasma membrane is present. It acts as a selectively barrier. In case of prokaryotic cell, plasma membrane is also present and it acts as a selective barrier. Then come to our second point of the eukaryotic cell. Cytosol is present in eukaryotic cell where organelles are present. But in case of prokaryotic cell, cytosol also present in the prokaryotic cell. Then the third point of eukaryotic cell, chromosomes are also present in eukaryotic cell. It is a genetic material of the cell. And in case of prokaryotic cell, chromosomes are also present in the prokaryotic cell. And the fourth point of eukaryotic cell is ribosome are also present in prokaryotic cell and as well as the eukaryotic cell. Because it translate mRNA and then convert into protein, it is important in a cell. Then now we will see the difference between eukaryotic cell and as well as prokaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, we can take animal, plant as the example of eukaryotic cell. But in case of prokaryotic cell, we will take bacteria as the example of prokaryotic cell. Second point is nucleus is present in eukaryotic cell and absent in prokaryotic cell. And third point is nuclear membrane is present in animal cell like in the eukaryotic cell and absent in prokaryotic cell. The fourth point is if we will talk about membrane boundary structure in eukaryotic cell, it is present in eukaryotic cell but absent in prokaryotic cell. And the membrane boundary structures are like Golgi, lysosome, ER, etc. In case of plant, it chloroplast. It was the first part of our cell biology and I covered only the basic of the cell here, and I will try to cover your all cell biology part in coming days. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our video.